Mastering the GMAT. Unpacking your practice test results. Hello, GMAT aspirants. Today, we'll delve deep into a crucial aspect of your GMAT preparation, reviewing and analyzing GMAT practice test results. A test is only as good as the lessons you take from it. Let's learn how to make the most out of your practice results. Taking a practice test is only half the journey. Reviewing is where the actual learning happens. When you review, you understand your strengths and weaknesses. It offers insights into areas that require more attention. Through consistent reviewing, you can track your progress over time. Yes, you read that right. Even the questions you answered correctly need analysis. Ask yourself, was it a genuine understanding or a lucky guess? Did you spend more time on a question than you should have? Revisit the approach you used. Maybe there's a faster, more efficient way to solve it. Mistakes are gold mines of learning. Identify the type of mistake. Was it a conceptual error, a careless slip, or maybe time management? For conceptual errors, revisit study materials to strengthen that area. For careless mistakes, focus on enhancing your attention to detail. Practice pacing yourself better for questions you spend too much time on. Time management is crucial for the GMAT. Review the timestamps for each question. Did you rush at the end? Or did you linger too long on certain questions? Identify types of questions that consistently take you longer and strategize on how to approach them faster. Remember, it's not just about answering all the questions but answering them correctly and efficiently. Based on your analysis, prioritize topics or question types where you're weakest. Allocate more study time to them. Set specific, actionable goals for your next practice test, like improving accuracy in a certain section or reducing time spent on particular question types. Reviewing and analyzing your GMAT practice test results is a cycle of continuous improvement. Each test offers a fresh perspective and a new set of lessons. Remember, it's not about how many tests you take, but how much you learn from each one. Happy studying, and may your GMAT scores soar.